Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to free up disk space on Windows 10. So first thing that we are going to do is let's go to this PC, but before that, if you downloaded Windows updates and there is some old versions which is not deleted from your system, but it takes some space, so we are going to fix that and also free up disk space because of that. So first go to this PC, Windows C, of course, and we are going to go to Windows. Now search for software distribution, and from here we'll go to download, and here just Control A and delete everything, or you can just do like that. So do this for all current items, yes, and we are not going to take much longer time on this thing. So next thing that we are going to do is type run and type clean mjr. So you can select both, but Windows C is mainly. So here you can select everything except recycle bin. This is optional because if you have things from here that you want to delete, then go ahead, but I'm not going to do that. So just go delete files and cleaning up drive C. So cleaning, it says what it's cleaning. So I'm gonna okay, it was fast. I wanted to say I'm gonna skip until it's done, but okay. So we are going to go to run and ws reset, and what is it doing? It's cleaning a cache. So if it loaded, then it cleaned. So next thing that we are going to do is click type run and %temp%, and we are going to click Control A or select everything, and we are just going to delete these temporary files. If it doesn't allow you to delete more, then just try again and continue. But if it doesn't, just leave it as it is, because mostly it's gonna be deleted. But yeah, so next thing we are going to type temp without percents and also deleting everything from here. Okay, just click try again, and for example this action can be completed, just click skip. And yeah, so uh, type run and app viz.cpl, and here programs and features. So this is optional also, so make sure to not delete something important like WinRAR or something which you use. Here this is optional, so I'm not gonna tell you what to do with this. But next thing that you can go is sign in into your Steam account if you have, and we'll be navigating to Steam, settings, and a library. Uh, okay, so storage, sorry. New Steam update, so I didn't know. So here you can see on Windows C, CSGO, you can move to this one or delete it. Just click here and uninstall, but I'm not gonna uninstall CSGO because that game is awesome. So we're gonna shut down my Steam, and next thing that we are going to do, this is also optional but highly recommended, to go to downloads and see everything that you can find which is not used by you, and you can delete it. So next thing, system storage cleanup recommendations. So we'll go to here, just type settings, okay, and we'll go to type just system, and if you don't see just like me, then you can type storage. Okay, sorry, storage, storage, and here storage settings. So here cleanup recommendations. So here, downloads. This is downloads as I showed you, but this that was manually. So recycle bin, temporary Windows installation files. This is mostly recommended to do also because you don't need this, and just click clean up, continue, and it's gonna clean up for you. And that's it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you liked it, and like, share, subscribe, and bye. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Peace.